Here again at Aldi supermarket to buy pizza, chicken wings. What the children love to eat. My children, now they eat the same food though. A different food. See as this make me be like Simba again. Give me see how we do. Give me a buy cucumber. Cucumber. We have this time too. Let me take two cucumber. These children, they know they eat the same thing though. Now different things. Now they eat. Now they eat too. Let me just take this chicken wings instead of. Let me take this chicken wing. Already spicy. How much you right? It's cheap. €6. I just take this chicken wing. Already spicy one. I take this chicken wings for them. My children, I don't know. I don't know. Let me one. You know they eat the same food. It must be different one. So I'm just here to look for something for them. Hot dog. The one with purity they always they like. Now this one, make I take this one, €3 something. Hot dog. How do I look? They say make I plait my hair like this. If not, it not go long. If I just keep her, it not go long. So I don't come back. I don't come back to do my hair. We're doing roasted chicken wings and pommes. Pizza will go down with her. Chicken wings and pommes and pizza we go down with it. Then so almost we don't do monthly shopping. All this other shopping we do journal. These are nothing. What is it? These are nothing. All these are extras. These are not extra shopping. They still bring this kind this thing. I would already buy €19. Would already buy. This one is like bigger. This one is bigger than the one we got. For me, I prefer that one because we don't have bigger space. Like that. Which one be this one? This one is Misa. This one is Misa. To miss. This one is Misa. The inside, my people. Let's see what is inside. Okay, what they think they do. I know they too like this kind one. I just prefer to put on to just blink. I know they too like this kind one. I don't know why. Some people they like them, but for me, not be my thing. You see, this my Samsung phone. I love her. When I ask me why I love her, if they fit turn around, iPhone are just for decoration. I don't know whether I me not know how to really do them, but Samsung is a go for me. So go take pizza and the rest of that things. Is a go. There was one thing I saw just now that make me come this side. Slippers, €14. These are slippers, they're strong. Let me see whether I'll get my size inside. See this color. €14. Their slippers is strong, sha. My size now 41. 39. So 14 euro. The price is it's okay, but my size not good day. See the one we get my size. This color, me I not get this color of bag. I don't get this color of bag. I don't get this color of bag. I'm very heavy. No, big burner. It's too heavy. I will say I see this one now. I will say I see 41 for this one. I for take that one. I dey like slow. That is low fast without no stress. At this my age now, I don't need any stress. We'll go the side of pizza. At this my age, I need easy wear. Even nowadays, if I dey go party, I dey like to dey buy easy wear, easy going. Just get am easy going. This the whey protein, luxurious 100% chocolate milkshake. Before I be dey drink all this thing before, they help. You want to lose weight fast. I don't get power. My husband said I never serious. Really, I don't think I'm really serious for this journey. Me I see whether big egg. They just dey see small. The egg go just big teeny. This one still dey okay small. Go just small. Now health. Me I dey look for M. Now let talking shop now you for see M now. I just tire wey be say don't come dey see big egg again. Maybe not small. Go just small. Now let this one be big one wey dey here now. Not see too big like that. You see? I'll just go talking shop, go carry crates, that big one. It's better because the egg too small. Not be me. Weekend, me and Papa can't do shopping. Big shopping. Not be me. Mostly. Look at my hair. I'm doing a baby style. I know say the time I small, my mother they do me this kind of style. When I don't see big now abroad. You not go see person will go with your hair. So chicken wings and pizza. Now I take chicken wings. That one good. Let me still take this one. Now what do the children they eat first? Children first. €5. This one a new cornflakes. €5. This one a cheese balls, sabi. What do they call this one? Papa come because they want to carry everything. Like, share this video, comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. I want to take pommes and pommes and pizza. I can't buy more. I don't feel carry more. I don't feel carry and I be the thing. Yet more. You don't they used to use do car shopping. So they carry loads to the RG. So already they do car shopping. So they carry loads. Oga come wow. Oh my goodness. Bye guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Now this pizza now. I don't want me to go take the one way. Because they say fridge if you know it. I mean I know they eat pizza. Now but I see my this thing don't full. And then make us offer you start come on because I want buy which I'll feel carry. no wan buy the one wey I no fit.